Operations leaders face intense pressure to do more with less. Maximize output, lower costs, minimize unplanned downtime, all with constrained teams. But as systems get more complex, meeting performance targets while managing rising and volatile costs of energy, water, and emissions is getting harder than ever. For chief operations officers and operations leaders, your focus is operational excellence, productivity, and profitability across the enterprise. You need visibility to all sites, what's driving performance, how resources are being wasted, and where best practices can be standardized. But with data trapped in disconnected systems, it's difficult to benchmark, assess the most impactful investments, or act on the biggest opportunities, leading to underutilized resources, unnecessary costs, and missed gains. Plant managers are expected to ensure safe operations, deliver high-quality products, and achieve throughput targets, all while dealing with tight budgets, constrained staffing, and limited bandwidth. You must hit KPIs, reduce downtime, and keep energy and utility costs under control. But without easy access to reliable, up-to-date data, it's hard to make timely and proactive decisions, or know where to focus limited resources. For facilities and utilities managers, you're managing the lifeblood of the plant. Energy, water, steam, compressed air. You know these systems are critical, but they're often invisible in broader performance reviews. That makes it harder to get the resources you need to meet budgets, justify investments, and deploy continuous improvement initiatives. Operators and technicians are on the front lines. You spot anomalies, tune equipment, and respond fast. But you're often working without context. What seems like a small issue locally could be part of a bigger trend. But it's hard to determine the root cause of issues and the actions to address them. The common thread? Everyone needs access to actionable insights, so they can connect plant floor actions to business outcomes. That means understanding the relationships between KPIs and plant floor activities, seeing where energy is being used, where losses are occurring, and what improvements can be made without adding to anyone's workload. Prophecy for Sustainability Insights helps improve resource efficiency, gain competitive advantage, and boost profitability by connecting business KPIs to plant floor actions. Discover how GE Vernova's Prophecy software can help solve operations challenges. Visit our website or contact us to learn more.